Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video, like 2 in the same day. That is so crazy. But I have an unboxing from Double Dip Nails. This is their Halloween collection, y'all. Ain't she cute? She's so freaking cute. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. I love Halloween. Like Halloween, I'm not gonna say Halloween, it's just the season. Like it's fall, you know, everything's turning orange. It's so pretty. But back to the system, honey. It comes with this really cute freaking bag. This bag is huge. Do you see how big this bag is? Like, there is a lot you can fit in this bag. It also comes with an essential liquid kit. So it has your bond. Actually, we're just gonna wait to open the box so I can show you what's in there, honey. So you get a buffer, you get a file, you get some cuticle pushing sticks, and some replacement brushes, just in case, you know, maybe your brushes mess up, you can replace them. So Double Dip Nails is a new company, so like I like to see when companies are growing and changing things. So this is new. Like, I've never gotten this little pamphlet. It's so freaking cute. So if you're not happy, you're not satisfied, just send them a message. It shows you all the steps to create a really cute dip set. So there is no way that you can go wrong. There is no way, because you have pictorials, baby. Pictorials. Don't we all love pictorials? I think I do. Like, everybody loves pictorials, but it's really easy. Just like when you're prepping your nail for any other enhancement, you're gonna prep your nail, you're gonna add your bond, and with this liquid kit you actually get a bond. Like, girl, it has everything you need inside. Everything. They show you how to remove a dip mani. Like, this little pamphlet is amazing. It has a whole bunch of information in it. It shows you how to remove, how to put on. If you have any issues, it tells you how to contact them. It has everything. There's frequently asked questions inside too. So like, everything is in there. Everything. This is like very well put together. Like, I really love this. This is really a dope idea. And it also has their beauty circle in it. So as usual, the beauty circle will be in my description box. So if you want to go join, click the link and join up, sis. And as I said before, if you have any issues, they want like your feedback. So if you're having issues, contact them and let them know. So they have their phone number and their email in there for you to contact them and let them know any issues that you may have, because they would want to fix it instead of you know, maybe leaving a bad review because something was messed up. So always contact them if you have any issues. So in this essential liquid kit, you will get step 1, which is your bond, step 2, which is your dip base, step 3, which is the yellow bottle. That is your activator. That is what makes it hard so that you can file, shape, buff it. Then once you've done that, you're going to go in with step 4, which is your top coat, honey, your top coat. Now let's say while you're working, your brush gets dirty, you know, you need to clean it. Dip it into the brush cleaner. That will clean your brush off. Save you some brushes. Don't just use the replacements. Try to clean it, you know. Try to clean it. So after all that, you know, you're going to go in with step 6, which is your cuticle oil. Please do not forget to use your cuticle oil, girl. Nobody wants to dry cuticles. This really pretty orange is called Jealousy. It is color number 782. This is really pretty. This next pretty orange is called Soft Marigold. It is 443. I love that one. Oh my goodness, this one is one of my favorites. This is called Voodoo Boo. These are really cute names. So this one is just HW002 because of Halloween. And this one right here is one of my favorites too. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at it. It is called Monster Mash. The Monster Mash. Now this one is really, I like the name. I like the name. Black like my heart. Like, that was cute. That was cute. Now this pretty tealish, light bluish color is called Baby Rosa. I did not use this one in my set. I would probably use it in a next set maybe. Hopefully try to incorporate it. But all I'm doing now is I'm going to show you guys how to apply your dip color. You're going to go in with your dip base. Well, first you're going to prep your nail, put your bond, and then you're going to go in with your dip base. You're going to dip. Well, if you can either dip or you can get like a cuticle pusher and like pour it on your finger for sanitary purposes. But if it's just yours, you can dip your finger in it. Dip your finger, girl. If you're using it just for yourself, dip your finger. But you just want to go through, you know, cover it. Get as much covered as possible. You're going to wait 30 seconds and then you're going to brush off the excess, and you're going to repeat those steps until you're satisfied with the coverage. So now I'm going through and I'm showing you guys what these look like. These are all 3 coats and these colors are so pretty. So pretty. I love them. I love them all, really. I really do. And these do not have top coats on them and they have not been capped in clear. This is just pure color. So now also in this kit you get some stickers. And you guys, these stickers glow in the dark. Now I'm going to be using Jealousy, Soft Marigold, and I'm going to be using Black Like My Heart, Voodoo Boo, because I got the voodoo for you, boo. I can't say the other way. Like, if you know where that's from, you know where that's from. But I'm going to be using Monster Mash as well. But like I was saying, these stickers glow in the dark. And I was so excited. Like, I turned off the light in my room and I was like, oh, crap. They glow in the dark. So as you can see, I'm going to be using them with regular monomer and not using them as dip. Because I find, like, when you're doing, like, really long nails, it's kind of easier to just use it as monomer. But, like, if you're doing, like, a shorter set, it's really, really quick if you just dip it instead of using monomer. So, like, long, I use monomer. Short, I just dip it. Just dip it, boo. Just dip it. But I was really worried about this pinky finger because I wanted to do a bling nail. Like, I know it's Halloween, but I like bling and I want to practice my bling. So I decided to get some practice in with my dip set. So I'm going to be using Voodoo Boo on this pinky and then, you know, just working my way through. So if you are new to Double Dip Nails, I want you guys to know that they are a US based company. They are based in Garland, Texas. They are a new company. They are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So that's 2 thumbs up from me. Boo, 2 thumbs up from me. And they actually have like over 2,000 colors right now. So 2,000 colors, you know how many colors that is? That's 2,000 colors, honey. That's a lot of colors for you to choose from. So if you would like to, you know, the link for their website is in my description box. You can click on it and check it out. If you would like to purchase from them and you want to save some coins, you can use Maria20 and save you some money, honey. Save you some money. But I really do enjoy using their colors. Like, these are all so gorgeous. And then on top of that, they're vegan and cruelty free. Like, that's like top par. Top par for me. So that's just my 2 cents. I love it.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me. You and me. Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're you and me, you're you and me.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak, 'cause